Good morning, friends, and happy Friday. Today for Morning Bins, we are going to make a sight word chain. So we're going to use strips of paper. Now, I decided to use some December colors, red, white, and green. You can use whatever colors you want. I'm going to write sight words on each one. I'm going to write A, B, I, and then I could do even more. So I could do did, he, so I'm going to add did, he, and go. Now you can do all of our sight words or you can pick a few to do. Then you're going to make a paper chain. So what you're going to do is put a little glue on one side and stick it together to make a loop. Okay, so here I have the word A. Then you'll do the same thing with the next one, but you have to link them. You're making a chain. This is going to be pretty cool. Now, another word for this is a sight word garland. So you might call it a paper chain or a garland. So then I'm going to link that one. So I have the start of my sight word chain. I have A, B. Now, you're going to do the rest. Okay, friends, now you're going to do the rest on your own. Bring your sight word, paper chain, or garland, whichever you want to call it, to our morning work so we can see it. All right, boys and girls, we will see you soon.